So let's take a quick tour of the rest of the menu. Under File, of course, Save As. You can save. You can start a new project from scratch. You can clear out what you're working on and load in a project if you want to start working on another project that you're working on. Merge this project with another is critical if more than one artist is working on the same game. With this merge project feature, both artists can be working on two different files. Let's say, for instance, one artist is assigned one character and another artist is assigned another character. They can work on their characters separately and then merge the project together, and then the one new merged project would have both characters in it with all of their frames and animation. Create scaled clone of the entire project will be extremely useful as well if you're porting the game to other sized devices. However, I have not programmed this feature yet, so I'm sure it will be grayed out in the first public beta version of the tool. Quit and hide menu are very obvious. Under character, and remember a character is over here in this window, a character is a set of animations. Eventually you're probably going to create multiple characters, and if you need to delete one, that's where that is. You can create a new one here. You can rename a character and clone a character, which will copy that entire character and all of the animations that it uses. Under animation, you can load sequential images as an animation. This is especially useful for people who want to use more common sprite animating techniques where they do all of the animating in a program like Photoshop, where every frame is a complete image that doesn't give you the savings of file space or memory, but sometimes you don't need those savings, and in which case this tool also supports making that very easy. You can, once you have your sequential art saved out as PNG images, you can load them all in as an animation. It'll create the animation, it'll create a frame for each image and load them into the animation in that order. So it automates what otherwise would be a very simple but kind of time-consuming task. Then under frame, we have copy selected frames, flip. There will be more features in here eventually, but for now, copy the frames that you've selected, flip frames that you've selected, or in either the X or the Y. Then we have under view all of the different information parts of Windows that we can hide or show. Under editor preferences, a lot of really cool features for editing how your tool looks and what kind of guides there are. I'll get into that in the next video. Auto arrange windows, frame edit mode. Yes, I already mentioned this. You have the 3 different modes to just very quickly get you back to logical window organization. Show or hide windows, I've already shown you this. That's where any particular window can be literally turned off to give you more room and to make things less confusing. And then help will eventually have some documentation and the about.